Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect pivot tables for expense analysis in Excel. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Excel and load the workbook containing your expense data. Select the dataset you want to analyze. Go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top. Click on Pivot Table in the toolbar. A dialog box will appear. Choose whether to create the pivot table in a new worksheet or in the existing sheet. For this tutorial, select New Worksheet. Click OK to create the pivot table. A blank pivot table field will appear in the new worksheet. Now, locate the Pivot Table Fields panel on the right side of the screen. Drag the category field into the rows area. Next, drag the amount field into the values area. Ensure the values field is set to sum to calculate total expenses. To analyze by month, drag the date field into the columns area. Right-click on any date in the pivot table and select Group. In the dialog box, choose to group by months and click OK. At this point, you can see your monthly expense totals organized by category. To enhance your analysis, you can apply filters. Drag the department field into the filters area. Now, you can filter by department to view expenses specifically for that group. To format your pivot table for better readability, use the Design tab. Explore different styles to find one that suits your needs. If you want to update the data in your pivot table, simply right-click anywhere in the table and select Refresh. Your pivot table will now reflect any changes made to the original data. Experiment with dragging different fields into rows, columns, and values to gain different insights. With this setup, you can easily analyze your expenses and make more informed budgeting decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.